Are you looking for the best outdoor speakers? In this video we will look at some of the best outdoor speakers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ultimate Ears MEGABOOM 3. The Ultimate Ears MEGABOOM 3 is a remarkable wireless Bluetooth speaker designed to deliver an unparalleled audio experience in a highly portable package. Its standout feature is the 360 degrees bold, immersive, and crystal clear sound, ensuring that your music comes to life wherever you choose to take it. The speaker operates for an impressive 20 hours on a single charge, making it perfect for extended listening sessions during your adventures. In terms of durability and design, the MEGABOOM 3 is built to withstand extreme conditions. The exterior is enveloped in a shimmering two-tone fabric, akin to the materials used in rugged applications like motorcycle jackets and fire equipment. This extreme performance fabric not only enhances the speaker's aesthetic appeal but also reinforces its durability, making it virtually indestructible. Number 2. Ultimate Ears WONDERBOOM 3. The Ultimate Ears WONDERBOOM 3 is a compact yet powerful mini-party speaker that redefines portable audio experiences. Despite its petite size, this speaker is designed to deliver bigger, longer, and more efficient sound in a 360 degrees range. The focus is on providing an enhanced audio experience, ensuring the beats are booming and the bass is rich. One of its standout features is the boosted sound, optimized for a full stereo audio experience. The Outdoor Boost button allows users to tailor the sound specifically for outdoor settings, making it an ideal companion for outdoor events and gatherings. With a remarkable 14-hour battery life, this speaker ensures that the party keeps going without the need for frequent recharging. Additionally, the WONDERBOOM 3 is built to withstand various environments. It is waterproof, dustproof, and floatable with an IP67 rating, making it suitable for pool parties, beach outings, or even shower use. Its rugged design ensures durability, making it dirt-resistant and drop-proof. Number 3. Soundcore Anker 3. The Soundcore 3 by Anker is a popular portable Bluetooth speaker designed to provide high-quality sound for both indoor and outdoor use, making it a versatile choice for various settings. Its wireless and waterproof capabilities allow users to enjoy audio at home, on the beach, or during outdoor adventures. One of the standout features of the Soundcore 3 is its advanced driver technology and enhanced bass. Equipped with dual drivers featuring pure titanium diaphragms, the speaker delivers extended treble up to 40 kHz while minimizing distortion. The inclusion of dual passive radiators and upgraded bass-up technology ensures a powerful bass experience in real time, even at low volume levels. Another highlight of the Soundcore 3 is its immersive 16W stereo sound, providing a more enveloping and enjoyable musical experience. This stereo sound enhancement contributes to creating a vibrant atmosphere in any space, enhancing the overall enjoyment of the user. Number 4. Sonos Move. The Sonos Move is a remarkable portable speaker that delivers exceptional sound quality even in challenging environments. Its standout feature is its weatherproof and drop-resistant design, making it an ideal choice for outdoor use. You can enjoy brilliant sound wherever you go, be it at the beach, on a camping trip, or simply in your backyard. Control options are versatile, allowing you to manage the Sonos Move using your voice, the dedicated Sonos app, or Apple AirPlay 2 when you're at home. When Wi-Fi isn't available, you can seamlessly stream audio via Bluetooth, ensuring continuous entertainment regardless of connectivity. The audio performance of the Sonos Move is impressive, offering surprisingly deep bass, a wide soundscape, and automatic TruePlay tuning. TruePlay tuning adapts and balances the sound based on your surroundings and the content you're listening to, delivering an optimized audio experience wherever you are.